Now let me come to this. I am going to draw the line A to A. They are intersecting here. You can see that. You can able to see the different color. So that means to say that is the intersection of these two. Okay. So A to A. Similarly, B to B. B and B, they are intersecting here. B of this and B of this. They are intersecting at this. And do not go erratically, go A, B, C, D, E, F like that. Okay. Otherwise, it will be, you will be committing mistake, especially in drawing. Now, from C and C. So this is C and C. D and D, it is on the coming on the same line, D and D. And E and E, E and E. So this is E and this is E. Now we got A, we got B, we got C, D, E. Okay, we got all this. Now let me draw a line from A, or before that, as I told you, kindly locate the lettering. Okay, kindly locate the lettering. Otherwise, you will be facing the A and copy. Okay, I'm copying both once at a time. And copy these C and D also. You can independently write. Only the thing is that it will be saving the time, so that I'm going to copy them. So you can see this. I'm going to write A, B, C, D, E, and A. And if you do small, commit the mistake, if you are not joining at the ends, what happens? While after taking the printout, they will come to know, the examiner will come to know you committed mistake. It should not happen. So that, okay. Now, okay, this much is over. Now we have come to the position. A pentagonal lamina of sides 25 is resting on one of its corners, and the surface of the lamina is making an angle of 60 degrees with respect to the horizontal plane. The edge opposite to the corner on which rest, CD is the edge opposite to the corner on which rest, is making an angle of 45 degrees with respect to the vertical plane. And another condition they have given us, and is nearer to the observer. Very important point. If you are going to do the problem without taking that away from the observer, this particular portion, half of the marks you will be losing. Now it is having 25 marks in the examination. So 10 marks will be for the final printout, and 15 marks will be for the SketchUp work. You will be losing 7.5 marks. So be careful. Okay. Now I'm going to write a line. I'm going to write a line. Later on you can shift anywhere. Write a line at an angle of 45 degrees. Now you can see this, how I'm going to write. If my line is here, it is 180 degrees. If I'm going in the counterclockwise direction, it will be taking negative angle. You can see here, negative angle. So 180 degree minus 30 is how much? 180 degree minus 45, 135. 135 is the angle I have to take. Take some distance, 90 tab minus 135, 135, so that it will become 180. Enter. I have taken this. Okay. Now, if you want, you can convert all these into visible lines. Hold control. What are the lines you want to convert them into visible? You can convert them. I have selected all this. Then go to this one, write visible. So all these become visible. Now I have to locate this. By mistake, for example, I'm going to locate this A will be near to the observer. I told you what happens. You will not get the marks. So that be careful. So take this, take this, And suppose some of the points you are losing, you are not selecting, hold control and select them and go to move. You should have to copy. You see that move copy. It is not moving the object. And now take this corner, locate somewhere on this. Don't ask me what distance. Don't keep here or don't keep here or don't keep here. Okay, keep by keeping some small distance. Okay, and enter. And then enter the right hand key. Then next go to rotate. Then go to rotate. I want to rotate the object, the whole object. Take this as a point of rotation. Which one? The end point. If we go now somewhere here, it will be a point near on the line it is. So it is the end point of this line. Don't try for the intersection. Okay, sometimes intersection will not get through a longer distance. Okay, now go to the end point, select this as a point. Now end point on this, if I took like this, the problem will become wrong. In this case, what happens? The edge is nearer to the observer. The corner is near to the observer, not the edge opposite to the corner. They have clearly given us the edge opposite to the corner on which rest is nearer to the observer. Okay, this is what. Okay, this is what. And later on, if you want to move, you can move whole. You can select everything, and you can keep anywhere, wherever you want. But you should not overlap this, or you should not overlap here. Take care. You should not overlap with the figures, or you should not overlap with the XY line. Like that you keep. Now this is the right. Now whatever the distance it is, don't worry. Now again continue the process. A to A, B to B, C to C, all these lines you have to write. Now let me copy the line from here. Right from A, from B, from C, from D, from E. I have written. Let me draw one horizontal line also. Horizontal line. Let me take one horizontal line. Let me draw separately. Okay, some distance. Some distance I am taking. Convert this into normal line. So copy this from end of this one to end of this and end up. Already it is there. Line is there. Now let me concentrate on this particular portion only. Let me concentrate on this particular portion. Okay. Now rest all you can remove them. You can remove all these. Okay. Now A to A. This is A and A is a corner on which it is resting. So definitely the A will come this. This is the point of A. Okay. Now this is the point of A. And immediately after this, what you can do is already in your grid book you have written. You need not to write here. Finally you can write. Okay. Then B and B. This is the point B. Now this is the point B here. Another point E is there, so that I have not cut this line. So this is B and this is B. And C, let me go to C. This is the C and this is the C. C is the point here. And A, B, C, D. D is on the same line and this is a line D. This is a point D. Okay. And E, it is E, this line and this line. It is this is the intersection. So I need to remove this. Okay. Now let me name them once again. A, it is A dash. And B, where the B comes, B is here. Dash. C, here let me write C dash. Look into this properly and write. Any doubt in between you can disturb me. And C, D. This is the line D and this is C, D. Now let me write D dash and E. This is E and E. This is E. Let me write anywhere outside the figure. Don't write inside. E dash. Now let me join all those by using the visible line because this is visible. Visible. And in the exam also, frequently save your drawing. Suddenly if the power go, whole drawings will be disappeared. This will not be stored. Again, no one will be accepting your excuse. Okay, nobody will be looking at what is your problem. So always you have to store the drawings, save the drawings frequently. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, D to E, and E to A. This is how the final drawing will be visible to you. Okay, this is how the final drawing will be visible. And after this, you'll not get the marks if you do as it is. You do the dimensioning for this. Okay, this is 25 mm. And if you do the dimensioning here, if you are going to do the dimensioning here, it is of no use. It is of no use. Only what they have given us, those we have to do. A pentagon lamina of sides 25 mm. 25 mm we have to do, right? And resting on one of its corners, and the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree you show here. You show the 60 degree angle between these two. So it has not taken properly. You can zoom this and you can take, okay, angle between them, angle between this and this. Okay, wherever you want you can keep 60 degree. Okay, then come back to previous position. Zoom this part. They have given us 25 mm sides and resting on one of its corners. Surface makes an angle of 60 degree and the edge on which it rests is at an angle of 45 degree and it is nearer to the observer. This is nearer to the observer. The edge is the hand which I have shown here. This is observer. It is near to the plane. This is near to the observer. Now let me write this angle. Okay, this is 45 degree. You can see this. Okay, and next X, Y, and here to slightly move this. Why I'm moving? I want to write VPHP. That initial dimensioning will be carrying the marks. Initial dimensioning will be carrying the marks. Okay, it is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. Now let me keep properly. Okay, this initially whatever we are writing, please understand the HPVP I'm writing XY line and I'm writing the sides. What is the sides? I'm writing what is the inclination it makes with respect to the horizontal plane. I'm writing what is the angle it makes with respect to the vertical plane. These 1, 2, 3, these will be carrying, and along with this HPVP, it will be carrying 2 marks in the examination. So kindly do not neglect in writing, and if you want you can move this like this also. Okay, so this is how we can do this problem.
Sir.
Yeah, please ask me.
Sir, how to draw the pentagon in the book, sir? Right side one.
This one, nah?
Right side, sir. Or at
this
45
one,
degree. 45 degree.
How to write this, huh?
In the book, sir. Not in the software.
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
book.
Yeah. See, I'm understanding your problems and I have taken it very seriously. Now I'm not getting any geometrical instruments, so that I'm waiting for that. And within this week, I'll do. I'll go to the college if it is required. I'll get the grid book. Grid book is not there with me. I'll get the grid book, and I'll try to do the problem in the paper practically, and I'll make a video and send it to you. How to do the pentagon and how to construct this by putting the grid around this. Okay, all these I'll be showing you. You can play the video and see that later. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, because I'm definitely telling you here it will be easier to do this problem. But doing this, I think including me, more than 60% of us will be committing the mistake while you are going to transfer this one here. You understood my point? Okay, that I'll be showing it to you. Any problems are there? Please ask me in this problem. Any problems are there? Please ask. Otherwise, I'll go to the next problem. Hoping that no problems. Okay. I'll do it in the same sheet.